Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all our Facebook viewers. Today we are with one more video of this series that talks about the linguistic domain of English language. And today we're going to discuss why English as a language is called a defective one. As many of you might have heard this statement that English is called a defective language. And there were n number of reasons why is English called a defective language. And we shall discuss one of the major reasons that is tell upon the pronunciation aspect of the language. Here, if you can see on this whiteboard, I've written, two types of alphabet on the board. One is an English alphabet, and the other one is an IPA, what you call phonetic alphabet. And the story lies, beneath the fact of these two alphabet. One alphabet comprises of 26 letters, and the other alphabet contains 44 sounds in its ambit. And this gives rise to a disparity and inequilibrium because you cannot have an equation where 26 will be equal to 44. That's mathematically impossible. You can see that this 44, I believe, is 18 sounds more than that of the English alphabet, having only 26 letters. I'll cite an example to all our viewers. Like if we talk of C letter, you have almost more than 4 variants of pronunciation associated to this simple C letter, and at times our learners are petrified at times as to how to pronounce words with the same letter. You have the kind of words like cement, where C is pronounced as S, seen in Urdu. You have a kind of word like glass, cat, where this C becomes K. You have one more group of words that is pronounced like church, chain, chair, chess, where you can have the same letter having a different kind of variant or kind of phoneme that starts with ch. And finally we have last variant that starts with sh sound, and you have words like chef. You have a car brand that goes with Chevrolet, or you have you can have this sh kind of a sound placed immediately somewhere in the words like ocean or in a special. So these words always put learners in a kind of fix to justify the pronunciation of the words, as there is no one-to-one correspondence of the letter and the sound, because we are less by 18 letters in the English alphabet, and ultimately all the learners of this language face a very big issue at justifying the pronunciation of the words. The one thing I must tell you all that you cannot actually give a one-to-one correspondence of the letter to the kind of pronunciation. And for a correct kind of pronunciation, you have to go to the native variant of the word, and for that you have to read the kind of document that talks about the RP, what is the received pronunciation. So this one is a major kind of setback that this language faces, and all our learners confront the same kind of issue while learning this language. Even I would say this thing that at the pre-primary or the kindergarten stage, we are more focused on this thing, this 26 letters of the alphabet, and should have been rather an emphasis on the sound system, on the phonetical part of the language. And I hope that in the coming paradigm shifts, there will be a shift towards the phonetics and phonology in association with the English alphabets so that our kids would come up with mastering both the aspects right from the beginning. So this is all for today's video. I hope this video will be of some help to justify why English is a defective language. Thank you.